right now.
Let's see what happens. Hopefully we'll be okay.
Jenny Alvarez's backyard is fairly dry.
I'm really worried about overnight.
Because as rainfall continues overnight into Saturday morning, she's concerned about what might happen.
It's just right here. It gets really flooded.
Much like her Palm Springs Street, Haverhill Boulevard.
That goes all the way to the middle of the road, and then the other side kind of joins in. So really the only way to get across is through the middle lane, and that's dangerous.
And Alvarez says that happens every time it rains.
Because everybody just brakes, and there comes the other one behind it.
In the neighboring city of Greenacres.
So we have had some periodic issues with drainage during, major stormwater events.
Because of that, they've got a new drainage system, thanks to a grant to help tackle those flood-prone areas.
The city reevaluated the drainage plan there, designed some additional drainage, pipes, conveyance, redid the swales behind the yards, and we've been working on that project for 8 years now.
Our original section has noticed a large difference since we've got that grant. We're in, I believe, phase 7.
It's now in the final phase.
Yes.
Director of Development and Neighborhood Services, Kara Ferris, says it's really helped cut back on standing water around town, especially during heavy rainfall, like what's predicted for this weekend.
If there's any accidents, it's going to happen right in front of my house.